Hello, my name is Caroline Messerly, and this video is about the importance of space that is used in design. So what is space? Space refers to an area that a shape or form occupies. So these words on the page are the shape or the form, and the space around it, all of the white space, is the area that the words occupy, so the space. So without space, none of your elements are seen, they become mashed together. So if there were more than one group of words on this page or more than one picture, your eyes might not be drawn to what's in the middle, but drawn to things on the outside. And I, as the creator of the PowerPoint, want your eyes drawn to the middle where the importance of it is. And if there was clutter on this page, your eyes would not be drawn to that. So that's what space can help you with. Space helps to build comprehension, create breathing space, guide the user through visual grouping, and focus and grab a user's attention. Space helps to draw the eyes to what is important, and it also helps to give the eyes a resting point between content. Space can either separate or connect elements in a design. This is by using, well, I've been using the word space, but this is by using spacing. So wider area between separates content, and narrower space connects the content. And then it also helps to create a design flow. So this could be the lines on all of my slides. That helps to connect my pages together and shows a flow for my PowerPoint. Three main ideas that space does for design is create groupings. So this can show that content is finished, or that content is, there's just a break in the content being provided. And that can be shown through groupings. It can create emphasis and hierarchy. So the hierarchy can show that the users can find and digest information presented more easily. So the three main ideas space does at the top of my page, that's more of an emphasis and hierarchy being used there. And then improves legibility. It really makes a site easier to navigate, or papers easier to understand, and also it just makes things look cleaner. And that is all I have for my slideshow. I hope it was easy to understand and easy to look at. Thank you.